Hello guys, my name is Sakrital and I'm gonna be speeding through the intestines today, and we're gonna go and blow that bird up in record time. So yeah, let's start. No. Oh no. Oh yeah, okay, he died. Let's go. Patience. Nice. Okay, let's go. We're gonna be speeding through the intestines, baby. Intestines, huh? Oh no! Hey, it's a pipe. Because intestines are pipes. I made a funny joke. I got pooped out too. Ooh. Yes, I did make it to the intestines. Thank you. Huh. Do the bugs become fuel once they're dead? Like the Great Wall of China and stuff like that? Okay, that would be like pretty horrible. But this is like a slave corporation, right? He's like leaving everything to me. The amount of confidence this guy has, right? What if it just happens? Ah, I die. Okay, let's speed through it. Oh no. Okay, so yeah, that's impossible. Nice, blocked. Okay. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Okay, so what did I come here for? Ah, yeah. To open that. Nice. Oh wait, I want to jump on it. Wait, will I be able to? Ah, I won't. Let's go. We weren't able to go. Okay. Nice. Okay, it's catching up on me. Nice. No! Okay, thank you. Nice. Intestines. Why is this bird eating teddy bears and stuff? Like, I'm just noticing it now. The other side. Okay, if you say so. I can fly. Let me fly, man. Give me the false hope. Give sweet lies to me. Oh. Huh. Life is pretty sad, isn't it? Okay, we got this. Oh no! And I died. Okay, we got this. Nice. It's a key! Okay, let's have this stuff too. Come on. Come on, spoon, you're making... You know what? Screw the spoon. You don't deserve it anyway. Yeah, these guys can die. Oh. Okay, that was too quick. No, not now. A little bit earlier. Okay, what if I jump? I still fall faster. I just thought. It happened in my mind, it didn't happen in my fingers. Now. We can do this. No. Just 100 more times and it'll be done. 99 more times. I'll definitely get it within these 99 times. A little more. Come on, you can do this. We can do this. Because me and you, we are the same. 90. Hey, we're doing this at record rate. Now. We did it, man. Hey, look, the key is here too. What happens? Okay. So we finished it in record time. Nice. E. Okay. Huh. Okay, so we're supposed to give space. Okay, this blocks it up. Oh, these are pipes. Oh, my bad, my bad. Yeah. And done. Nice. Record time, man, record time. Hey, there's a button there. Let's press buttons. So much to press for buttons, man. Why can't I just keep a button to press? Ah, nice. Ooh. Okay. Bro, oh no. Okay, we got this. We got this. Okay, nice. 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 Beautiful. Okay, what am I doing here? Please tell me I can press that button. Okay, so we want to connect it to this, right? Okay, yeah. Nice. Okay, let me. Ah, I wasn't able to go there. Oh, it was supposed to jump on. I was supposed to jump on it. My bad, my bad. Sometimes my brain tries to work in different ways. Maybe it's predicting something. Maybe let's predict something. Okay. We predicted it. Huh. My prediction is right. Wait, let's predict some more. Come on, let's go. Yeah. My prediction doesn't seem to fail me today. Okay, yeah, that's scary. That's scary. Oh, okay, I understood, I understood. Okay, how does this help? Ah, it helps. Yeah, I didn't see that. Come on, we can do this. Nice. Man, that came at the speed of light, man. Nice. Done. Okay, we got this. We didn't get this. So yeah, and it's done. Man, that was beautiful. Oh wait, if I touch that, will I die? Nah, I won't. That will I touch if I'll die. Okay, nice. Beautiful. Huh. Ah yeah, this is easy. From now onwards it's gonna be easy. From now onwards it's gonna be easy. Okay. A little bit more easier, please. What? I can't touch that? That's like the most harmless substance here. That was a harmful substance. Okay, yeah. Okay, nice. So, okay, we wanna jump now, we wanna jump now, and we wanna jump now. We don't want to run into that. That's bad. You know, this intestine lining is actually so true. We also have the same intestines. These help like absorb the water and stuff. Huh. Factually, ah! Okay. Okay. Ah, come on. So yeah, sauce. Grinding up meat. Okay, we got it, we got it. It's gonna be the same thing up. So we're gonna do this, we're gonna jump. And then we're gonna jump again. Beautiful. Are you gonna jump? It's gonna jump. We're gonna jump again. Gonna jump. And now we're gonna jump. Ah! Man, I just gave everything up, man. Because I was a bit impatient. Okay, and we got this. We're gonna do this. We got this. I keep forgetting. How am I supposed to jump? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to jump like this. While it comes, jump again. Nice. And then while this goes, we want to jump again. And come and jump again. Yeah. So while this goes, we want to jump again. Jump. And while it comes back, we want to jump again. Last one, man. This is gonna be beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can feel it. We did it. Me and you, we did this together. Hey, wait please. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. So that was scary. Which means this is also gonna break. Oh no, it's the cart. Man, that is one useful cart, man. Hopefully these ones don't break. Mr. Cart, yeah, let's go. No, please, thank you. That was scary. Extremely scary. Very scary. So yeah, my laptop's not able to handle the frames anymore, I guess. Wait, how do I get on this? I should be able to get on it. Oh, come on. Just kill me. Oh, wait. I think it's the cart. It's the cart. We gotta bring the cart. Yeah, it's not the cart. So, what do I do? Oh yeah, and I trapped myself into. Come on. Oh yeah, we can make it. Okay. So, my laptop was glitching in for a second, but yeah, now it's fine. And it's a broken glass. Man, that's dangerous. Okay, let's do this. Simple stuff. Very simple stuff. Beautiful. And beautiful. Work harder. Oh no, so how are you? Am I not brainwashed? How do you know? Good for you. See, he finally got it right. Yes, I am deaf. I can't hear what you guys are saying. Man, this guy's a genius, man. No wonder he came so far. So he's gonna die. I mean, like, suit yourself, man. If you wanna, you gotta do it. Let nobody stop in your way. Okay, so what? Oh, how you doing? Okay, not here, not here. This place looks like a place that will go. So where do we want to go? Okay, so that's a dead end, so let's not go that side. I think I am going that side. Oh, we got a cart. A cart is always good. We can do this. Well, we can't do it if there's an invisible force stopping it. Oh wait, that is a dead end, but this was also a dead end, man. I should have listened to that. Okay, let's go somewhere else. Oh, that looks dangerous. Elevator that way. Guys, I found a way out, bro. I found out the way. I didn't wait long enough. Patience is a virtue. Beautiful, let's go, let's go. So what is this place? So that is supposed to do something. Oh, supposed to take out the lasers that I didn't even know existed. So that's my dead remains there. So that's okay, and I think the bottom's a dead end. No, we found the elevator. Nice. Where are we going? Let's go here. There's another elevator. Okay, so this is back where we came from. No, is it? Maybe. Oh, I see freedom. I see freedom. It's freedom. It's freedom. That wasn't freedom. Okay, so there's an elevator here. See, usually we want to find the way out of the intestines, which is the anus. So let's try to go as down as possible. Life goes up. Wait. Let's go down, let's go down. Okay, we got this. I fear that I'll be smashed to bits. Okay, so we do have something here that I unconsciously fell out of. So we can't go down there. There's electricity. Will I die? I can't. So that's a dangerous place. That was also a dangerous place. I should have seen that. Oh yeah, we can't make it there. So this is not. Come on, we can do this. Why do I keep on saying we can do this? Who am I motivating? Myself? Really? I thought it was a double. He gave me a triple. Come on, yeah. Let's go. Okay, so we want to go right. This is gonna take extreme skills, okay? And you're gonna see my extreme skills, like beautiful skills. Like whatever I said till now is not gonna be extreme. This is what's gonna be extreme. This is gonna be the most extremist of the extreme. Look at this. It was extreme. Oh, nice. This is so extreme that the game wanted to delete me. Okay, nice. Yeah, warning. Nice. Now I can do the hoppity hop. Hoppity hop. Okay, how do I get back up? So, yeah, nice. It was here all along. Jump. Okay, so we can't get down here. So we want to get on top of this platform, which was just inviting me. Find freedom in your work. I'll free you from your work. Nice. I think I found my way. Now I just have to drop perfectly. Done. Out of the way, out to the anus above. The bird's gonna poop us out. Hahaha. You could fool me 3 times, but you won't fool me the 4th. It's telling me not to do it. But I want to do this.